Hello friends and welcome back to the Ninox Learning Series. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to add different data fields to our database. So let's get started. Click on any empty database or you can create a new one for this project. Click on the database and now add new table. Specify some name. So here we are creating an employee database. So I have named it as employee. Now we should be adding the relevant fields for an employee table. So we will be needing a text box. Let us call it as first name. We will need another text box. Let us call it as last name. We will need a text area wherein we can specify the address of an employee. Next we will be needing is an image so that we can add a profile pic to the employee database. Let us add email to specify email address, phone for contact and location. Now we will need another field where we need to specify the technology in which the employee is working. So for that I have selected multiple choice. Also now you could see that we were able to add data fields by just dragging and dropping the elements. Now go back to the table and you should be able to see the user interface. Now I'm selecting an image for the profile. Here you can see you can customize the fields very easily. Now I'm just going to update the fields. Ignore the phone number, it is just dummy data. Now let us add a technology. Now technology here is a multiple choice field. So we need to add multiple options here. So click on add value. Let us say first is Selenium. Add next option as Java. Add a few more like APN and Linux. Just say OK and save the changes. Now when you click on this combo, you should be able to see the entire list of options that we just specified. So here I am selecting as Ninox. You can also further align the fields so that it right fits the screen. Similarly, you can keep on adding new records by just clicking on the plus icon. In the next tutorial, we will see how to customize different data fields. Thank you for watching and keep learning.